morning, dear students. As you all are aware of divisibility rules, so today we will discuss the most important question related to the divisibility rules which usually comes in exam. So what is that problem? That you have to replace star by the smallest digit so that the number is divisible by 3 and 9. We have to take these queries as separately. It is not sure that you have to make only one number which should be divisible by 3 and 9 both. You can make two different numbers which are divisible. One is divisible by 3 and another is divisible by 9. Because you have to replace star by the smallest digit. You have to replace star by the smallest digit. So let's proceed in this problem. You know that the divisibility rule for 3 and 9 is that sum of the digits should be divisible by 3 or 9. 3 or 9 means that we will take that number only whose divisibility we are discussing. Okay, 3 or 9. If we are discussing divisibility of 3, the sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. But if we are discussing divisibility of 9, the sum of digits should be divisible by 9. So let's proceed with A part. In A part, the problem is 4, 1, star 6. Now 4 plus 1 plus 6. This is equal to 11. 11 is not divisible by 3. But what is the next number which is divisible by 3? That is 12. So 12 minus 11. Star is equal to 12 minus 11. So when we replace 4, 1, 1, 6 star by 1, this number is divisible by 3. Now for 9, 4 plus 1 plus 6 is equal to 11. But 11 is not divisible by 9. What is the next number which is divisible by 9? 18 is divisible by 9. So star will be equal to 18 minus 11, that is equal to 7. And the required number will be equal to 4176. It is divisible by 9. It is divisible by 9. And this is divisible by 3. This is divisible by 3. So the procedure is same. You have to find the sum of the given digits. After that you have to check whether it is divisible by 3 or not. If it is not divisible by 3, you have to check the next number which is divisible by 3 and subtract that sum from that number which is divisible by 3. You will obtain the value of star. Is that clear? And similarly for 9, sum of the digits, check whether it is divisible by 9 or not. If not, find the next number which is divisible by 9 and star will be equal to that number minus sum of the digits. You will obtain the required number. So this is the way how to find whether a number is divisible by 3 or 9. So in this we conclude that 4116 is divisible by 3 and 4176 is divisible by 9. This is the answer of first and this is the answer of second. So let's proceed for the next problem. Next is, let me make two columns, one for 3 and one for 9. Now in B part, star 2, 8, 4. Sum of the digit 2 plus 8 plus 4. This is equal to 14. 14 is not divisible by 3. What is the next number which is divisible by 3? It is 15. So star will be equal to 15 minus 14. That is equal to 1. So required number is 1, 2, 8, 4. Okay, let's complete for 3 only, and after that we will move for 9. In C part we are having 5 star 0 2. Sum of the digits 5 plus 0 plus 2, that is equal to 7. Not divisible by 3. What is the next number which is divisible by 3? It is 9. 9 minus 7, 2. So the required number is 5202. This is for B part and this is for C part. Let's move to D part. 448 star. Calculate the sum. It is equal to 16. Again 16 is not divisible by 3. What is the next number which is divisible by 3? It is 18. So it will be equal to 18 minus 16, that is equal to 2. So required number will be 4482. Now the last part E, 5 star 2 1. Sum of the digits 8. Then star will be equal to 8 is not divisible by 3. What is the next number which is divisible by 3? It is 9. 9 minus 8, that is equal to 1. So the required number will be 5121. So we obtain all the numbers which are divisible by 3 by replacing star with the smallest digit. And we will proceed in the similar manner for 9. B part. Star 284. Find the sum. 2 plus 8 plus 4, that is equal to 14. 14 is not divisible by 9. But the next number which is divisible by 9 is 18. So star will be equal to 18 minus 14. That is equal to 4. So required number is 4284. C part. It is 5 star 0 2. Sum is 5 plus 0 plus 2, that is equal to 7. Here star will be equal to next number which is divisible by 9 is 9 itself. 9 minus 7, that is equal to 2. So required number is 5202. You can see that here in both the cases the number obtained is same. So it is possible that a number which is divisible by 3 is also divisible by 9. But remember one thing, there might be cases. In each and every case, a number which is divisible by 9 is always divisible by 3. Why? Because 3 is a factor of 9. But it is not sure that whether a number which is divisible by 3 will be divisible by 9. You can see here. Here the sum is 15. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 8, 11, 11 plus 4, 15. This number is divisible by 3 but not by 9. But every number you obtain for which are divisible by 9 will always be divisible by 3. You can check. Here the sum is 18 and 18 is divisible by 3. Why is it so? Because 3 is a factor of 9, or you can say that 9 is a multiple of 3. That's why. Now let's move to D part. 448 star. Sum is 16. Star will be equal to next number which is divisible by this 9 is 18. So required number is 4482. In E part, 5 star 2 1. Sum is 5 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 8. Then star will be equal to 9 minus 8, which is equal to 1. So required number is 5121. So you can see that in E part, in D part and in C part, we obtain the same number for 3 and 9. Only in B part it was changed that the numbers were different. But every number obtained for 9 is always divisible by 3. Is that clear?